Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a channel on Telegram. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Telegram application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be asked to log in if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged into your account, you will be shown the various chats on your homepage. Now, in order to create your channel, tap on the edit icon at the bottom right corner and you will see the option for new channel. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can enter your preferred channel name. Just type in your channel name followed by the channel description, and you can also tap on the picture icon to set up a picture for your channel. Then simply tap on the tick mark at the top right and you will be asked whether you want to set it as a public or private channel. Just choose your desired channel type, and if it is a public channel, you will be allowed to create the public link. After choosing your desired settings, tap on the tick mark at the top right once again and you will be allowed to add subscribers to your channel. You can tap on the members that you want to add or tap on the next button, and now your channel will immediately be created. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new channel on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.